Hi, I'm Simon with AppliancePartsPros.com. Today we're going to show you how to repair your appliance. Are you ready? Remember, anytime you work on your appliance, make sure it's unplugged or the circuit breakers are off so there's no chance of electrocution. In this video, we'll show you how to replace the freezer drain heater in the Samsung side-by-side refrigerator. It's going to be a very easy repair, should only take a few minutes to show you how to do it. For this job, we're going to need a Phillips screwdriver, a flat blade screwdriver, a putty knife, a pair of side cutters, a couple of zip ties, and aluminum foil tape. When you open up the package, you're going to get a new freezer drain heater. The main reason why the freezer drain heater would need to be replaced is if it burns out, causing the condensation drain to freeze over and ice builds up at the bottom of the freezer. Let's open the freezer door and remove the shelves out by pulling them straight out. Remove the upper and lower freezer baskets. Pull them until they stop, lift up and remove them. Lift up the front and remove the ice bin unless you wish to take a cold shower when the ice cube starts melting. Take out the two caps and then, using the Phillips screwdriver, take out the 6 screws that holds the evaporator cover. Use the flat blade screwdriver to pry off the cover. Disconnect the harness plug on the left and remove the cover. Gently and slowly pull the bottom of the evaporator out. While holding the aluminum tubes at the top with one hand, bend the copper tubing slightly to access the drain heater. Using the putty knife, cut the aluminum tape on the sides of the drain heater bracket. Disconnect the drain heater harness plug. Pull the heater wire harness out. Remove the old drain heater assembly from the recess. We need to pull the old drain heater off the bracket. Start with one of the sides. Peel the heater off the bracket completely. This is the old freezer drain heater next to the new one. If you don't have this part, you can get it from AppliancePartsPros.com. Place the new drain heater flat with the protective paper up. Place the bracket over the heater, match the holes so you can see how it should be attached. Peel the protective paper off one side, put the bracket on and attach one side of the heater to the bracket. Continue on peeling the cover off and attaching the heater to the bracket. Bend the aluminum foil over the bracket's edges, turn it over, and make sure the heater is pressed firmly. Right, before taking it inside the freezer, we need to install a couple of pieces of aluminum foil tape. because we need to tape those sides. So first we're gonna put one here and keep the paper on. Then we're gonna do it on the second side. And one more we're gonna put in the center from inside. Now we can move into the freezer. Slide the heater assembly under the evaporator. Insert the little heater wire tail into the drain opening. Place the heater properly in the recess. Slide the heater wire harness behind the evaporator. Tape down the heater. Tape down the sides and the back of the heater assembly to the refrigerator. Tape down the harness to the rear panel. Plug the harness connector in and secure the harness with a zip tie. And now, again, being very careful, install the evaporator into the recess by bending only the copper tubes. Place the piece of aluminum tape on the bottom. Install the evaporator cover. Connect the wire harness plug and push the cover into place. Secure it with the 6 Phillips screws. Place the caps in. Slide in the lower and the upper freezer baskets. Install the shelves. Okay, now let's slide the ice bin in. And now, when we're done with the repair, let's close the freezer door, plug the fridge back in, and make sure it's cooling. Thank you for being a part of another successful repair brought to you by AppliancePartsPros.com. For any of your future appliance repair projects, please check out our other repair videos available on our site, on Facebook, and on YouTube.